Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of investments to help you decide where to put your money, the stock market, mutual funds, or cryptocurrency. You're probably here because you've got some cash you want to put to work, and you're tired of it just sitting in a savings account, barely keeping up with inflation. We're going to break down the pros and cons of each of these options so you can make the best decision for your financial future. Investing can seem super intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. We'll explain everything in simple terms like I'm talking to a friend, and give you actionable advice you can actually use. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this is just for educational purposes. By the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of the risks and potential rewards of each investment so you can start building wealth and crushing your financial goals. So let's get started. Alright, let's start with the stock market. When you invest in stocks, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of ownership in a company. If that company does well, its stock price goes up, and your investment grows. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, the stock market has historically returned around 10% per year on average over the long term. That means if you invest $10,000 today, it could potentially double in value in about 7 years with compounding. Not too shabby, right? But, and this is a big but, the stock market can be volatile. You'll see your investments go up and you'll see them go down. Sometimes way down. Remember 2008? Yeah, not pretty. But here's the thing, if you're investing for the long haul, like 10, 20, even 30 years, those short-term dips in the market become less and less impactful. The key to successful stock market investing is to do your research, invest in companies you believe in, and most importantly, stay patient. Don't panic sell when things get rough. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Let's move on to mutual funds. Now, a mutual fund is basically a basket of stocks or bonds managed by a professional fund manager. It's like a one-stop shop for diversification, which is super important because it helps reduce your risk. Think about it. If you put all your eggs in one basket and that basket falls, well, you're in trouble. But if you spread your eggs across multiple baskets, you're much safer. Mutual funds are great for beginners because you don't need to be a stock market whiz to get started. Plus, they typically have lower investment minimums compared to buying individual stocks. However, they do come with fees. You'll pay an expense ratio which covers the fund manager's salary and other administrative costs. These fees can eat into your returns over time, so it's important to choose funds with low expense ratios. Overall, mutual funds are a solid option for hands-off investors who want built-in diversification and professional management. Just be mindful of the fees. Chapter 3. Cryptocurrency, the Wild West of investing. Now let's talk about cryptocurrency, the new kid on the block. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have exploded in popularity in recent years, and for a good reason. The potential returns are insane. I mean, we're talking life-changing gains here. Just imagine turning a few $1,000s into hundreds of thousands or even millions. It's happened before, and it could happen again. But, and this is a massive but, crypto is also incredibly risky. The market is incredibly volatile. Like, buckle up and hold on tight volatile. One day, your investment could be up 20%, the next day it could be down 30%. It's not for the faint of heart. Plus, crypto is still a relatively new asset class, so there's a lot of uncertainty surrounding regulation and its long-term viability. If you're thinking about dipping your toes into the crypto waters, start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose and be prepared for a wild ride. So, there you have it. The stock market, mutual funds, and cryptocurrency. 3 very different investment options, each with its own risks and potential rewards. The best choice for you depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. If you're just starting out, I always recommend diversifying your portfolio and investing in low-cost index funds. As you become more comfortable with investing, you can explore other options like individual stocks or even a small allocation to cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more investment tips and financial advice. Let us know in the comments where you prefer to invest your money.